Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create amazing AI videos in 720p using Grok Imagine, both free and paid versions, plus a bonus free tool you can start using right now. First, Grok Imagine is an AI tool that lets you turn simple text prompts into stunning images and short videos in seconds, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. Let's start with the free method. Just open the link in the description and you can generate AI visuals without paying anything. If you're struggling with captions, here's the website I use. Use my link in the description to get 50% off. And that's it. Now you know how to create AI videos using Grok Imagine. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.